guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today for Plan With Me Monday, I would like to do something a little bit different. If you'd seen my unboxing of the Planner Society for December, I opened up the beautiful kit and it came with a traveler's notebook. It's a B6 size traveler's notebook cover, and so I would like to put together my traveler's notebook, and I'm going to use it as a little planner. So I'm going to do 3 signatures or inserts for you today for January, February, and March. So I printed out these monthly calendars that I'll include. I will put the link for this. It was a free printable online. And then also I found these weekly spreads for, so I printed out double-sided for each month, and I will put the link for that down below. They're simple, just little blocks. I kind of wish that this had matching, like they would match, and I probably could make them my own, but I just wanted something really quick to set up my traveler's notebook. So that's what I have for that. And I'm going to be using the papers that the kit came with and then all the goodies over here. So that's what I will be doing today. So let me get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright guys, so I showed you how I put together one of the inserts, and pretty much I put the other two inserts together the same way, so I didn't record all of that, but I wanted to show you the final outcome. I'm not quite finished with it yet because I want to add one of the pen clips that I need to get, and I also want to make like a little charm or get it like a tassel to add on to this. So here is what I came up with. So here's the first inside pocket. I put in some of the extra stuff in there and a paper clip, and then I used the plan and those, and this was the one I had showed you. And so there's January. I need to add in a few more of my printouts for the days of the week. I didn't print out enough. I wasn't thinking, I don't know, I just didn't print out enough. So I need to print out some more and add them in here. In this spot, I'm going to put some notes. So I'm going to get some note paper to stick in there. So I put that up there. And then I added in the acetate just to add a little bit of a different texture inside here. So there's just like a little tip in there. I guess that's what you call it. And then this is the second insert. I used the Hello rhinestone sticker and some of the ephemera there. I have a pocket over here, and then here's the February calendar. Here's the weekly boxes. I need to print out a few more for this one as well. And then this, I added in a piece of the vellum, and then I stuck these in here, but here's where I'm going to have my to-do list, so I'll get some notepad paper to put in there. And then here's the third insert, and this is for March. So I have a pocket that I stuck some of the journaling cards in, and then I just decorated the front of the calendar with some of the paper in it. One of the die cuts. So there's the March calendar. I need to go in and add some stickers and things to that. And then, of course, print out some more of my weekly. So I haven't numbered these days yet. I just want to get them in before I do that so I get the numbers right. And that's the last page of the insert. And then in the back, I just added my packets of ephemera, some extra paper that was left over, and the other sticky pockets. So that's it, guys. I think I'm going to be using this traveler's notebook to keep track of my Etsy shop, my ideas, the things that I've sold, and just things like that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next Monday. Come back on Wednesday for a Bible journaling video, and then Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday will be other random crafty videos. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.